Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Italian meringue buttercream. This is slightly different than Swiss meringue buttercream, although you will notice that the ingredients are very similar. So let's get started.
Very familiar ingredients. We need 7 egg whites, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of water, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. You will also need a stand mixer or one that you don't have to hold. You also need a candy thermometer. If you don't have these things, then I would recommend making Swiss meringue buttercream instead. This method needs these things. So begin by combining the sugar and water in a pot with the candy thermometer and heat on high heat. You want to heat the syrup to 235 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 to 118 degrees Celsius, or soft ball stage. This takes several minutes, so be patient. While the syrup is heating, separate your eggs. I like to do this in 2 bowls, whites in one, yolks in the other. Then add the whites to the bowl of your stand mixer. Whip them with a whisk attachment until they form stiff peaks. Then, once your syrup has come to temperature, remove it from the heat. Then with the mixer on low, pour the hot syrup into the egg whites slowly. This is why you need a stand mixer. Hot syrup is very, very hot and can burn you very badly if you get it on yourself. This would be easy to do if you were also trying to juggle a hand mixer. Now allow the mixer to continue to mix until the mixture cools to room temperature. You don't want it to melt your butter. This takes several minutes. So while that's cooling, cut the butter into about tablespoon-sized chunks. This recipe works best if your butter is cold. The meringue should look shiny and gorgeous when it's ready. Once again, make sure to test the temperature. Then add the butter about a tablespoon at a time on low speed. I'll speed up the footage, but just slowly add all the butter. Once all the butter has been added, the mixture will very likely be thin. Just scrape the bowl to make sure all the butter gets incorporated. And keep beating until it comes together. It sometimes has a slightly lumpy, separated look before it comes together. Just keep beating. You can see on the side that the consistency is getting thicker. That's just what you want. There we go. Finally, just add the salt and vanilla. This process does admittedly take a long time, but it tastes amazing. It's light and even fluffier than Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Otherwise, the taste is very similar. It makes about 5 or 6 cups of buttercream, or enough to generously frost an 8-inch layer cake. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.